1. What is Python? Python is a high-level, easy-to-learn programming language used for software development, web development, data science, and AI. Example: copy code Python print open parenthesis quote hello world quote close parenthesis 2 variables. Variables store data values. Example: copy code Python name equals quote John quote age equals 23. Data types. Common Python data types: int arrow numbers, float arrow decimal numbers, str arrow text, bool arrow true or false. Example: copy code Python x equals 10, y equals 3.5, name equals Python. 4. Operators perform operations. Examples: plus addition minus subtraction, times multiplication slash division. Example: copy code Python, a equals 5, b equals 2, print open parenthesis, a plus b, close parenthesis. 5. Conditional statements used for decision making. Example: copy code Python, age equals 18, if age greater than or equal to 18. Colon print open parenthesis, quote eligible to vote, quote close parenthesis, 6 loops, loops repeat code multiple times. For loop copy code, Python for I in range, open parenthesis, 5, close parenthesis, colon print, open parenthesis, I close parenthesis. While loop copy code Python I equals 1, while I less than or equal to 5, colon print, open parenthesis, I close parenthesis, I plus equals 1, 7. Functions. Functions group reusable code. Example: colon copy code, Python def greet parens, colon print, open parenthesis quote, hello quote, close parenthesis, greet parens 8 lists, lists store multiple values. Example: colon copy code, Python numbers equals open bracket, 1, 2, 3, 4, close bracket print, open parenthesis numbers, open bracket 0, close parenthesis 9, dictionaries store data in key value pairs. Example: copy code Python student equals open brace, quote name quote, colon quote John quote, comma quote age, quote colon 20 close brace, print open parenthesis student, open bracket, quote, name quote, close parenthesis, 10, input from user, take input from user. Example: copy code Python name equals input open parenthesis, quote, enter your name colon, quote, close parenthesis, print open parenthesis, name close parenthesis.